So Sir Alan, no, ito naman yung ating bedroom 2 sa second floor.
Yes. And perfect really siya sa mga kids, diba?
Yes,
For the start of family, no?
So, ito perfect talaga siya. Dito sa bedroom 2 kasi, kasama na rin yung TV console. And also the So, ganito na rin yung design. May pa-wood design.
As in talagang every rooms na-maximize talaga yung space, diba?
Even the full-size cabinet.
Oo nga.
Hanggang kasya lahat ng gamit mo.
Oo nga, yun. So, for our last bedroom, no? Ayan, kung you have one boy and one girl, no?
Yeah,
pwede rin siya maghati. And then for a privacy, no? For every family members, no?
Yes, sir. So, yan, makikita mo, sir. Meron na rin siyang window type aircon. Even the curtains, included na yan. Study table, same lang kabilang. May mga shelves na rin dyan para pwedeng paglagyan ng dyan kung nakagagamit ng room. So Sir Alan, dito sa ating second floor, so nandito yung ating commented. So for the bedroom 1, meron silang magagamit. Same, all the inclusions natin dito yung kasama ng mga wood design natin, the mirror, yan. Kung paano yung siya nakita, ganun na rin siya sa third floor. So yun, Sir Alan, no? Nakita mo na yung ano natin for the Julieta. So anong masasabi mo sa design ng house?
So since it's an open space and yun nga na talagang na-maximize yung buong floor area ng bahay, no? And then yun nga properly and organized yung mga gamit mo kapag talaga tumira ka dito. And it comes with everything, as in mag-move in ka na lang talaga, lilipat ka na lang.
Kung mapapansin nyo, min-maximize na namin lahat ng mga cabinets na kailangan ninyo, yung mga sofa set, dining set, lahat ng furnitures and appliances para sa mga clients ninyo na more or less na talaga sila pag lilipat.
And the most exciting part to our house tour today is the price, diba?
Yes,
so most of our viewers and potential clients are really curious kung how much ba to, since it's already a fully furnished house and lot package with the with the design, the furniture, the appliances, curtains, everything is already included. Move in na lang talaga, diba? So how much is the starting price natin ba?
So for Madonna Residences, we have a 3 phases here. So we have the phase 3, phase 2, and phase 1. So for now kasi, Sir Alan, yung phase 3 natin is sold out na.
So ganun kabilis?
Ganun kabilis. Since we started last year lang. So now, phase 3 is sold out. Ngayon sa phase 2 naman namin, almost 60 to 70 sold na siya. So from that price point kasi, ang starting natin doon for the Melcon or lahat ng ano natin is na ranging 7.350 and above.
So, depende pa kung anong specific block and lot yung kukunin nyo. Especially if you're eyeing for a corner lot.
Yes, Sir Alan. For the corner lot kasi may mga different naman yung price natin doon. And also, may mga price din for the excess lot. Kasi ang standard natin is 164. Yung bahay, yung inikutan natin, this is a 164. Sa mga corner lot kasi meron tayong 177, meron nga 290. So pagka ganun, meron tayong corresponding na price for the excess lot.
So that's why you have to message us for more information, and we're more than happy to guide and help you from the ocular visit to the documentation, and even sa pag-apply ng loan for the bank, no? So up to turnover ng fully furnished house and lot nyo. And again, feel free to message us with this number, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yun nga, again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty, where we find homes.